Okay, this is your sign to upgrade your scent. I just tried Dolce perfume and it smells like fresh fruit and warm skin. Clean and a little flirty. 2 sprays and I feel put together. You meet this on your vanity.
If your speakers ruin your vibe, watch this. These are the Silver Lining luxury loudspeakers and I'm obsessed. They sound insane for how small they are, plus they actually look like decor. I just grab the handle and take it room to room. My whole apartment sounds like a movie now.
Good day. Here's the one-click UGC ad creator workflow. Here's the system. I'm going to show you how it works. So basically, here it starts a process. It retrieves the information based on the file that you're sending over to the Telegram bot, and then from there we have this node. It is a sub workflow, so it's very complex. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this basically shows the entire process of filtering the message that is being sent to the Telegram application. So there are several states. These are the messages that it's going to send over to whoever the user is. And then after it sends it over, it'll then return a series of data back to the original or the parent workflow. After that, it'll then get sent over to this node. This AI agent does it. It gives us the best prompt that will best suit our product. After that, it's gonna generate the influencer image, and then it gets over here. It'll get to some series of nodes that will um, make the file accessible. Then it'll then create a data in our spreadsheet. Then after that, here's the number 4 part of the process, which is script generation. It's going to analyze the 2 images that get sent over. The first one is basically the product that you send over to Telegram, and the second one is based from this AI agent that produced the influencer image. It's going to analyze that, and then this node will then generate a prompt for a UGC script based off that 2 images that get sent over. After that, it's going to generate a background music that is suitable for that prompt, UGC prompt. And then for our number 5 part of the workflow, we have our production part. So we're using Key AI for this one and 11 Labs for the audio. So let me show you what the 11 Labs subwoofer looks like. It looks like this. So it's going to produce the background audio, make it accessible, and then put it over to the spreadsheet so we can call it later on. So we go back to our parent workflow. Then it's going to choose 2 models. You could either choose Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. I've tried both and it outputs basically the same thing, but Sora 2 is a lot cheaper, like 5 times cheaper than the Sora 2 Pro. But you can test it out. Then after that, we have our status checker. It's gonna check if the Sora 2 has produced the video already. If not, it's gonna wait over again. After it's done, it's gonna download the file from Key, which is the one that's been produced by Sora 2. And then the background audio from that file will get then removed. So we're going to get the audio file after it's been removed. And then we also have our node here, which is the revamped dialogue audio. So what this does, it basically creates or produces a dialogue audio based off the output from the Sora 2 model that gave the video. So it'll use a professional audio that's been produced by 11 Labs. So we'll use that for this one. And then it's gonna upload the file, gonna make it accessible again, retrieve its info, and then for our last part, we have this node stitch all together node. That's what I call it. So this basically uses the Creatomate API. So it's an API from an AI API. What this basically does, it stitches all the video, audio, and the new dialogue audio from 11 Labs, the background music as well. It's gonna stitch all together and then once it's been produced, it's gonna reply. It's gonna send a reply to our Telegram that this video has been produced. It's ready for viewing, and that's it. Then it gets sent over to spreadsheet for uh, logs. So here's our, you know, these are the videos that we've produced back then. So we have a couple of these videos. What we did for the rest of the videos here with the tools that we used. There's no API for on-screen captions yet that I know of. So sooner or later, I can add. Once it's available, I can add it to the workflow. So it's basically just one click, and it produces everything right here. But for now, there's a manual part that would only take 3 minutes to do, and that is to put an on-screen caption using Captions AI. So it's pretty simple. Just upload the video, and then it's gonna look like this. And then you can choose a template, caption template. Let's choose this one. And then once it's been chosen, we just have to export. Select 60 for best output.
Okay, this is your sign to upgrade your scent. I just tried Dolce perfume and it smells like fresh fruit and warm skin. Clean and a little flirty. 2 sprays and I feel put together. You meet this on your vanity.
So that's it. It took about 3 minutes. So the total time of production would take approximately about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the AI model that we're using. But on average, based on my test, it only takes about 7 to 10 minutes per video. So imagine having that kind of system or workflow that's pretty fast, reliable, and cost effective on the long run. Even with just one video, totally makes sense. So I hope you liked it. That's pretty much our the sum of the hope for workflow production. So in any case that you want this system, let me know. Yeah, feel free to hit my inbox or email. Thank you very much, guys.